Avocados take center stage in this easy dish. Simply dressed in fresh lemon juice and extra virgin olive oil, they get an extra punch of flavor from kosher salt and fresh black pepper and some chopped herbs and diced tomato. Ingredients: 3 large avocados, 2 lemons, extra virgin olive oil, kosher or sea salt, black pepper, 1 handful fresh chives, 1 medium tomato. Instructions: 1. Cut each avocado in half and remove pits. 2. Using a large spoon, carefully scoop out entire avocado half, keeping it intact. 3. Place center/pit side down on a cutting board and use a large knife to slice into 1/8-1/4 slices. Carefully using knife, transfer sliced avocado to a serving plate or platter and use your hands to gently fan out the avocados accordion style. Repeat until all avocados are arranged on platter. 4. Cut tomato in half and remove seeds, pulp, and inner membrane. Dice tomato in extra small pieces and set aside. 5. Use clean scissors to snip chives into small pieces until you have about 2 tablespoons or enough for your liking. 6. Drizzle some olive oil over each avocado half, followed by a squeeze of lemon juice. 7. Sprinkle with salt and pepper, chives, and tomatoes. 8. Lastly, cut up some remaining lemon into slices or wedges and add to plate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.